Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create a form using the Google form. And the first thing that you need to do is actually create your file name here. Example, if the file name is System Usability Scale, or I can just put here SUS Survey, something like this. Then you press enter, and you can, as you notice here, automatically the file name also reflected here. Survey questionnaire. So I'll just add questionnaire sample. And then you can copy here the instruction, example instruction. All you need to do, you just copy paste here the one that I provided. Example, please complete the blank or fill up the questionnaire, something like that. Okay, and next is, since you will be asking for the personal information, you have to start by adding a text first or title. Sample, I will add up here personal information. So this one refers to name, email address, location, or anything which is related to personal information. And then next is you can add again another one, add a question. So when you click on the plus sign, so you have the option here, short answer. I'll select short answer, then example name. Okay. And if you want this to be not optional, then you have to select this one. And if you don't want your participant to put their names, then you can just disable this one. Okay. Next is we're going to add again, just like an email address. So click on the plus sign, then tap email add, then you can also enable this one so you can collect the details of the email, but this is actually optional. Okay, sorry. Okay, now we're done with the email. Next is the location. So type in the location, then same. But if you want to have the drop down, example, you want to your user to select a specific place, then you can use the drop down. And if you don't want to, then you can use the short answer. So there's an advantage if you just use the drop down, but the only thing is that you need to type in all the name of the places. So for this purpose, I'll just use the short answer for the meantime. But in your case, you can use the drop down boxes. So for location, the purpose is that if you want to make a survey, if you want to know how many are answering coming from Tandag, coming from San Miguel, Tago, or any places. Because if you will choose the short answer, so the formatting would be quite too long. So that would be different. Okay, now we're done with our personal information. Oops, sorry, wrong spelling. Missing R.